Hi, Dr. David Cully, your New York City board-certified chiropractor and director of Synergy Wellness, Chiropractic and Physical Therapy in the Big Apple, Manhattan, New York City. Going on 20 years of clinical experience in practice, and there's just so much new chiropractic research coming out. I'm excited to bring you another Research Matters episode, highlighting chiropractic research once a week. And without further ado, I present case study number 3. I believe every chiropractic doctor should have in their arsenal is this 2007 study from the Journal of Neurophysiology. In this study, doctors Heidi Havoc and Bernadette Murphy clearly show that a cervical spinal adjustment on patients with no pain influences the cortical brain and can create neuroplastic changes in the brain tissue. This is huge. There are counselors and emotional modification programs that cannot create neuroplastic changes in the brain over months and months of therapy like one single chiropractic adjustment can. I believe the best part of this study is that the subjects receiving adjustments did not have neck pain, but had confirmed vertebral subluxations. In other words, subluxation is not about pain. How many of the people in your community need to know that subluxation creates abnormal brain physiology without causing any known symptoms? The adjustment they received had a direct influence on sensory input and resulted in attenuated brain cortical evoked responses. This means it changed their brain for the better. It was noted that the enhanced active inhibition of the sympathetic nervous tone occurred in all post-adjustment measurements. Remember, our sympathetic nervous system is our survival branch of the nervous system. The other really cool thing it proved was that it clearly wasn't a placebo effect or just laying on of hands. One group was set up for an adjustment, but the high velocity, low amplitude thrust was not made, and this group had no cortical neuroplastic change. The bottom line here is that the vertebral subluxation leads to a bombardment to the central nervous system with afferent signals from the joints and the surrounding muscles. A chiropractic adjustment reduces excessive signals and improves altered input into the central nervous system, resulting in better adaptation to any internal or external input the brain may receive. Know this: how to improve brain adaptability is one of the most important areas of study today in all of healthcare, and nobody affects it like we do with the power of a chiropractic adjustment. If you've never been to a chiropractor, you have no idea what you're missing. A chiropractic adjustment removes interference to the nerve system and improves brain function. It does this by improving spinal integrity through improving segmental motion in subluxated areas of the spine. It's all about the nervous system, and chiropractors are the only doctors addressing this. Also noted was the chiropractic adjustment inhibited the CNS facilitation while producing brain changes, and did it with the patients that had confirmed subluxation but no pain. This shows us why every human should be checked and adjusted if necessary throughout life by a chiropractor, regardless of symptoms. Just like you see a dentist for your teeth to have them cleaned a few times a year, all while brushing your teeth every day, multiple times a day. Here's my takeaway from the study. There's no way to be healthy without a healthy spine. There's no way to know if you have a healthy spine unless you have it checked, regardless of pain or symptoms. The health of your body is dependent on the health of your spine. These are the reasons backed by science why you and everyone in your family should have a chiropractor from birth to death. Top 5 takeaways I hope you gathered. First, there is ample science and evidence to support the power of chiropractic. 2, the physiology behind a vertebral subluxation is much more than a hard bone on a soft nerve. It virtually affects every aspect of human function. 3, the power of an adjustment has been proven to be more effective for improving visceral physiology than musculoskeletal health. 4, every human should be evaluated and have the spine cared for by a chiropractor over a lifetime. And 5, the best part about chiropractic care is that it can be utilized over a lifetime. There's no side effects, and the evidence supports the greatest benefits are received with frequent ongoing care. I've included all references of the studies in the description. So, what are you waiting for? Contact your local neurologically based chiropractor today for a better tomorrow. One last thing. Tell me what you think in comments below. I went to film school before I got my doctorate. I do all the writing, directing, producing, sound, editing, and the cool special effects you see here. Folks, I'm not asking for an Academy Award or an Oscar, just a simple thumbs up if you like my video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the latest, greatest content on YouTube. Thank you, appreciate all of you.